litigants got into an accident at an intersection. The plaintiff says the defendant signed a promissory note agreeing to pay her the damages. But the defendant says the document's a forgery. Let's listen.
Why would he give you the ticket?
The police officer wasn't called. He was driving by. He was there for about 20 minutes. He came in, he talked to her, he talked to me. I didn't have insurance. He automatically just wrote the citation and he left.
No, he definitely should automatically write the citation for insurance.
Right.
But if he wasn't there, he doesn't know who didn't have the right of way, because there's either an arrow there or there's not an arrow there. Do you have any evidence about whether there's an arrow there?
I sure do.
You do?
Yes, I do.
I thought you might.
License shows.
Oh, and I don't know if you'd like to see a copy of the signature on her driver's license, but it does match that of the promissory note.
That driver's license was signed, I don't know how long ago, and I don't know if that matches whatever she has on that paper because I've never seen it.
That's what
Which
she
I
presented
didn't
on
sign that.
site.
But you were.
But I did not
How did
sign
I
that
get a
paper.
picture
I
of
swear
it?
to God, I did not sign that paper.
I don't know if it matches it. I can't tell.
I refused to sign it to her, which is why she gave it to my sister.
Okay, let me see the police report.
Sure, it's right here.
I want to know why the officer. All right, give me a second to look through this. Vehicle 1 was stopped at the intersection. Vehicle 2 was traveling eastbound. Vehicle 1 initiated a left turn, violating Vehicle 2's right of way. The right front collected, both of them moved out of the grass. What was she saying on the scene?
Pretty much, she didn't believe it was her fault. I knew it was. I wasn't going to argue with her over that at that point in time.
Oh, the stuff about her hugging you, according to you, that never happened?
No, she didn't hug me.
Okay. Was it hostile between you two out there?
No, it wasn't. I was
When your
upset.
significant
We were
other
both
came
upset.
out, was he attempting to negotiate it?
No, he was talking about my car. That was my ex-boyfriend, which is my daughter's father, who I called because I didn't know what to do because she said she didn't want police, she didn't want anybody, and I agreed with that because I didn't have insurance. My car,
Well, so why wouldn't she want police?
well, I guess you can ask her that because
Okay,
she didn't
why
seem to
wouldn't
be
you
very
want police?
sober when she went.
Watch this. Why didn't you want police?
That's not true. I had called the
Right, so I'm
But she
asking
didn't
you,
call the
why didn't
police.
she want police?
She looked very much either she was drunk or she was on something else.
Why didn't they give her a citation?
I have no idea.
The police just have it in for you?
I don't even know. And the
If
speed
she didn't
that
think it was
hit
her
my
fault,
car.
why would she sign this? And by the way, I have to tell you, I don't think the signatures look that much alike.
Thank you.
Who crossed out the address and then put a different address?
The defendant did.
What was the address on your... Okay, your license has Missouri.
Correct.
Okay, where did this happen? In Florida.
Clubview Drive.
How long had you been living in Florida?
I have been at that address for almost a year.
If your license didn't have your Florida address, and your Florida address is handwritten here in a handwriting different than the paralegals' block handwriting, who knew your address and wrote this down here, if not you?
What address does that say? Honestly, I've never seen that. I don't
It
know.
says 1300 Avenue, Orlando, Florida.
At the time of the accident, I lived at 2956.
Who is at
I
1300?
don't know. I live at 1900.
You're not listening to my question.
I don't know who lives at that address. I don't know. It's not me.
Something stinking here. Will the plaintiff get more than $2,000? Judge Millie on Rules next.